Another day, another story. Here are 45 steps for a 7-day clean eating challenge. Day 1. Start the day with a glass of warm water with lemon to kickstart your metabolism and aid digestion. For breakfast, have a bowl of overnight oats with fresh berries, almond milk, and chia seeds. For lunch, have a large salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, and a protein source such as grilled chicken or tofu. Snack on fresh fruit or a handful of almonds between meals. For dinner, have grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Day 2. Have a green smoothie for breakfast made with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. For lunch, have a quinoa and black bean salad with diced avocado and cherry tomatoes. Snack on celery sticks and hummus between meals. For dinner, have roasted chicken with a side of roasted vegetables such as Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes. Day 3. For breakfast, have a veggie omelette made with spinach, onions, and mushrooms. For lunch, have a Greek salad with mixed greens, cucumber, tomato, feta cheese, and olives. Snack on sliced cucumbers with Greek yogurt dip between meals. For dinner, have baked cod with roasted asparagus and brown rice. Day 4. For breakfast, have a bowl of fresh fruit with a dollop of Greek yogurt. For lunch, have a lentil soup with mixed veggies. Snack on a green smoothie between meals. For dinner, have grilled chicken with mixed veggies and quinoa. Day 5. For breakfast, have scrambled eggs with spinach and a side of fresh fruit. For lunch, have a kale salad with chicken, avocado, and tomato. Snack on fresh fruit and nuts between meals. For dinner, have grilled shrimp with roasted veggies and brown rice. Day 6. For breakfast, have Greek yogurt with granola and fresh berries. For lunch, have a tuna salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. Snack on celery sticks with peanut butter between meals. For dinner, have grilled steak with roasted veggies and quinoa. Day 7. For breakfast, have a smoothie bowl topped with granola, sliced banana, and fresh berries. For lunch, have a chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Snack on fresh fruit and veggies between meals. For dinner, have baked salmon with steamed veggies and quinoa. Additional steps for the 7-day clean eating challenge. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and junk food. Use healthy fats like olive oil and avocado instead of butter and margarine. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread instead of refined grains. Use herbs and spices instead of salt to flavor your meals. Avoid eating late at night to aid digestion. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to stay on track. Use a food journal to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Incorporate a variety of fruits and veggies into your meals for maximum nutrition. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu. Thanks for watching.